Hello guys, it's been a while. Been really busy. My KTT Switch review is coming up. Almost done with the video. In probably 1 or 2 days, I will upload it. For now, to remove some itch, we have some special switches over here. This is the Designer Studio Starry linear switch, which I just got yesterday. Squishy Types send it over for review. Really impressed with these switches. These are stock, by the way. I will lube them up as I feel that it will benefit from lubing, but stock is really good already. I've used it for a day now, stock, and I have no complaints. Very minimal scratch, won't even notice it in actual usage. For me, these are tamed down version of the Zakus. The Zakus are good. I have no problems with the Zakus. It's just that sometimes I feel it's too loud and I feel it's too harsh. The clack is too harsh. This one, I feel it's a little bit more balanced. Here's the sound test. Hope you guys enjoy it. Really good, right? Really good. Again, tamed down versions of the Zakus, at least for my personal observation. Stock stock on the QK, it balances this keyboard perfectly. The QK tends to be more on the muted, talky sound profile. Um, I think I think the Starry switches balances it perfectly, and it really goes well with the color of my QK, the blue white, right? Combination of switches. Again, I'm not particular with aesthetics, but from time to time, it doesn't hurt, all right? Even with the cable right there, all right? So, again, thank you guys for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Continue supporting the channel. Again, KTT review. Do watch out. Four KTT switches mega review coming up in the next few days. See you guys.